What's going on, you guys? I'm Josh Myers, and this is Josh Myers United. Today I'm doing a reaction video to Angry Grandpa, the Burger King Chicken Burger. It's a video by the Angry Grandpa Show. The original link to this video will be in my description below, so please check out the Angry Grandpa Show. Anyway, let's get to the video.
Well, I hope you're hungry.
I've been looking forward to this all night long.
Burger King's all-new Chicken Whopper.
Shit, I love Burger King. Chicken Whopper?
Or Chicken Burger, whatever it is.
Chicken Whopper?
Thank you for choosing Burger King. My name is Shannon. How may I help you?
Yeah, I want to get that chicken burger.
Anything else for you?
That'll do it.
How's it going, sir? You have a chicken burger?
Yeah.
For 28, please. Thank you, sir. Yeah, you are.
All you got was a burger.
For $5.
Yeah, you are.
It better be fair.
For $5?
The fuck? That ain't chicken.
That looks pretty good. It looks pretty good to me.
Oh my god. Are you fucking kidding me?
What is that? It's a chicken burger.
It looks like it's been chewed by somebody and then made into a patty. Oh.
Really?
What are you doing?
He just threw that outside of his car, man.
God damn!
You gotta go back and get another one now. Dude, you told your youngin'.
Told that motherfucker tasted like somebody chewed it up, made a patty, and then cooked.
There's not a video right now. It's been like a minute. You're gonna have to order another one.
A minute's all that motherfucker's worth.
Thank you for choosing Burger King. My name is Shannon. How may I help you?
Yeah, man. Give me one of I tell you what, give me one of them chicken burger meals. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you, sir.
Go eat your goddamn chicken sandwich.
Maybe you got a bad one.
That's the only reason why I'm doing it. I'll get one more. Well, I do believe in second chances, and Burger King does. You know, they do deserve one. Look at this.
The second one's gonna be just as nasty as the first one, man.
Could have sat back there and let somebody ride through. Motherfucker had to sit right in front of me. Dumb son of a motherfucking bitch. I'll go down your goddamn shit.
What do you expect whenever you order food from Burger King, man?
Look, I'm not lying. This don't even taste done. The motherfucker ain't done. One thing. Number two, it ain't chicken.
I think it is chicken.
Ain't no way that's fucking chicken. No way.
It's called the chicken burger.
You know what I think about goddamn Burger King? There's your fries.
Dude, don't make a mess in this truck.
There's your goddamn burger. And there's your goddamn shit. Fuck this guy.
Oh, dude.
Don't call that a goddamn burger.
It's a chicken burger.
It's a chicken shit.
It's a chicken shit.
Ain't out selling chicken shit.
Nasty motherfucker.
Oh, is it that bad?
Give me that goddamn back. Oh, God.
I gotta look at this mess you made out here, dude. You've now thrown like 2 burgers, fries, a drink.
I can't believe he threw his cup out the window, too.
Jesus, Dad.
Look good.
Oh, God.
Oh.
At least,
you're not doing that.
at least the birds will be happy anyway.
Come on. You can't drive off every time you're pissed off. You can't do that every time you get mad.
Well, the goddamn food sucked and you brought me here. I spent over $12 on this shit.
Boo-hoo, man.
Burger King and eat garbage. I can eat garbage out of my own goddamn can. Oh my God.
What? What's going on? Are you joking?
Now he's being overly dramatic.
Dude!
Oh damn.
How
It-
bad was it?
It's not that bad, man.
Make me want to run you son of a bitch! I fucking hate you! Don't you baby in my gun up, you're gonna have you got over the damn it! Fucking hate you!
It's your dumbass fault you wanted the hamburger.
What the hell? Oh, God! I think you went the wrong way! Oh, shit!
They watched you go from this to this.
Oh, man. All I gotta say to this reaction is... what do you expect whenever you order meals from Burger King anyway? It's gonna be like nasty, like pre-made garbage patties anyway. I mean, you can't expect quality from Burger King. It's not a 4-star restaurant. Oh, God. And then he throws the shit out the window. What was that? And he throws a drink. God, man. Anyway, I'm Josh Myers. This is Josh Myers United. I hope you liked this reaction video. Please give me a big thumbs up. I hope you subscribe for more content. And I hope you have a blessed night, everybody. Bye.